Hey everyone, welcome back to Cars Info. Today. We're diving into the future of electric SUVs with a close look at the highly anticipated 2025 Mercedes-Benz EQG. Mercedes-Benz has taken their iconic G-Class and given it a sustainable twist, combining luxury with electric power. Let's see what sets this vehicle apart. First off, the design of the 2025 EQG retains the rugged and boxy silhouette that the G-Class is known for. However, Mercedes-Benz has integrated modern elements to signify its electric nature. Expect to see a distinctive front grille with a futuristic twist, sleek LED headlights, and aerodynamic enhancements that improve efficiency without compromising its off-road capabilities. Inside, the EQG continues its tradition of luxury and comfort. The cabin is spacious, with premium materials and cutting-edge technology. You'll find a large infotainment screen that supports the latest connectivity features, advanced driver assistance systems to ensure safety on and off the road, and customizable ambient lighting that complements the vehicle's upscale feel. Now, let's talk about what drives the EQG. It's powered by a sophisticated electric drivetrain, capable of delivering impressive performance both on road and off-road. With multiple electric motors providing all-wheel drive, expect instant torque and smooth acceleration. The battery capacity is substantial, offering a competitive range per charge, making it suitable for daily commutes and adventurous trips alike. For those who love to venture off the beaten path, the 2025 EQG retains the legendary off-road prowess of its predecessors. Mercedes-Benz has engineered this electric SUV with robust suspension systems, advanced terrain management features, and excellent ground clearance. Whether you're navigating rocky trails or tackling sandy dunes, the EQG promises a thrilling and capable off-road experience. Charging the EQG is convenient and efficient. Thanks to Mercedes-Benz's commitment to EV infrastructure, it supports fast charging, allowing you to recharge the battery quickly during stops. Plus, its regenerative braking system helps maximize range by capturing energy during deceleration. This combination ensures that the EQG remains practical for both urban and rural lifestyles. To sum it up, the 2025 Mercedes-Benz EQG represents a bold step forward in the evolution of electric SUVs. It blends the timeless design of the G-Class with sustainable technology, offering luxury, performance, and off-road capability without compromise. Whether you're drawn to its iconic style, advanced features, or eco-friendly powertrain, the EQG is set to redefine what it means to drive an electric vehicle. Would you consider the Mercedes-Benz EQG as your next electric SUV? Let us know in the comments below. Don't forget to like, share, and subscribe for more updates on the latest automotive innovations. Thanks for watching, and we'll see you next time on Cars Info.